Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Shopify product images from a deleted theme step by step clearly. To restore Shopify product images from a deleted theme, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section from the left sidebar. Click on Themes to view your current and past themes. Look for the option to Actions on the right side of your published theme. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Code. In the code editor, look for the Assets folder in the sidebar. Expand the folder to see if any image files remain. If you find the product images, note down their file names. If there are no images, go back to the Themes page. Scroll down to the More Actions button next to your deleted theme. Select View Deleted Themes to access your archived themes. Find the theme you wish to restore. Click on Actions next to the deleted theme. Select Publish to restore the theme to your store. Once the theme is published, navigate back to the online store section. Click on Products to access your product listings. Select a product to edit it. Check the Product Images section to see if your images have reappeared. If images are missing, you may have to upload them manually from a backup if you have one. Lastly, review your product listings to ensure images are properly displayed. Congratulations, you've successfully restored product images from a deleted theme. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.